Welcome back. Quick little video out of nowhere. Right now it says it was gonna rain in 10 minutes. So, and I'm kind of far from my house. So, yeah, it looks sunny, but it says it's gonna rain in 10 minutes. Oh, look at that. Never seen that bird before. Oh, there's a game today? Yo. You think I can go begin one way? You think I can go over there? Yo, I swear if I get, look at that cloud. Oh my god. If I don't make it home, I'm cooked. Oh my god. Vámonos de aquí. So basically, I got home, right? And then I changed. And then I went for a ride. Right now I'm riding. I'm chilling. I'm doing everything I can in my power to chill for a little bit after a hard day. But damn. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna take my AirPod off. That should be falling. Well, y'all seen this? Yo, if it rains on me, I swear I'm gonna die. Everything, I'm not trying to get wet. Pause. Ooh, better wheelies now. Let's go. But anyways, let's go home, cause I don't wanna get in this rain. I wanna get in this rain, chat. Oh, you think I can go through that? Oh. Yo, if I can go through this, I hope it's not muddy because it rained yesterday. But if I can go through, oh my god. Oh, it's muddy. Okay, but look at that cloud. Oh my god. Alright, gotta make it home. I'm like, what, 10 minutes? 4 minutes? Epic Willy. Ah, that was bad. Chat, I can finally hold it a little bit. Like 1 second. Maybe. Yeah. And I fixed my helmet because I was putting the pads wrong. Like in the wrong way. So it was so uncomfortable. Ah. But now I fix it. Bike dirty, me dirty too. But it's okay, cause we vibing, running from the rain. It's not even raining, but it looks like it's gonna rain. Imagine I was in a pedal bike, I would be cooked. No, I wouldn't care, cause in the pedal bike, like, if it gets wet, then GG's, right? But in this one, is a problem. Look at that. Oh crap. Going 23 miles per hour, 40% too. I haven't charged it, but we're chilling. Epic combo. I need to tie my shoe. Fuck. Let me go right here real quick. Tie my shoe. Oh shoot. What's my headlight on? What the heck? Bruh. Oh my god, I almost fell. Alright, let's do it. Bikes so dirty, bro. Like in the last video, I watched it, right? And then I went out in, y'all can see in the last video that I posted what happened. Excuse me. So yeah, I'm not gonna explain it because you have to watch that video. You know what I mean. Fit check. Black shirt, baggy pants. Gosh dang it. Let me clean this off. Alright, we're back into the action. Boy, it looks so freaking like it's about to like freaking thunderstorm in this shit. Oh, GMC. Alright. Now that my shoes are tight, can go home in peace. Look at that. What the hell? We're chilling. Whoa. I need to buy new brakes. That's the first upgrade I'm gonna do. Buy freaking new brakes. Oh my god, all the heat from this truck is getting into me. If I upgrade the freaking brakes, cause they're the freaking stock. Everything's stock in this bike. I don't got money. Oh, y'all seen this car? Y'all seen that car? Yo, that's clean. But I hope it doesn't rain, cuh. Like on Broski. Should I go through downtown? Or nah? Should I? I can go. Yeah, I could do that. I have 40% left, so I'm chilling. Bike check. Oh, okay. Bike check. I don't got cars. Like I could go to down. Let me go right here. Could go to downtown, but there's a lot of people coming out, and I don't want that because I'm gonna be doing some illegal stuff. Okay, I go in this one. Alright. This person going this way. No problem. No doors. No problem. No doors. No problem. Thank you, ma'am. Well, there's a school over here. I'm going this way. I'm going this way. I'm going this way. Please don't kill me. I'm going this way. I'm going this way. Oh my god, why are so many people? I couldn't wheelie. I couldn't wheelie. Yeah! Yeah! I don't know if y'all saw that guy. He was like, thumbs up. He was hyping me up. Type shit. Oh, I feel the rain. Oh! When there's rain, there's thunder. Oh crap. Oh crap. This shit better be crazy. Stay tuned for that. Stay tuned if the rain gets me. Oh yeah, I feel the freaking water drops. Oh crap. It's okay. We're close to my house. Oh crap. It's maybe raining all just over here. Oh shit. Oh shit, it's raining hard over here. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Stop sign. Okay. Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Oh, it's raining. Oh shit. Chat, the rain just got us. We're in a thunderstorm. There's tornadoes everywhere. Oh my god, I'm getting so wet. Oh! Yo! Yo! My visor! The camera! Oh shit! Alright chat, I'm close to my house now. I made it. Still raining on me hard. But see y'all next video. Bye.